Embrace the winter wonderland on two wheels at Cottonwood Pass, nestled between the picturesque towns of Buena Vista and Salida, Colorado. Welcome to the ultimate fat biking adventure. Break away from the ordinary and explore the snowy trails like never before. Cottonwood Pass offers a unique and thrilling fat biking experience with groomed trails that wind through the breathtaking landscapes of the Rockies. Whether you're a seasoned fat biker or a newcomer, the trails cater to all skill levels. Feel the crunch of the snow beneath your tires as you pedal through the serene winter wonderland, surrounded by the towering peaks of the Rocky Mountains. It's not just about the ride, it's about the experience. Grab your friends and family and make memories against the stunning backdrop of Cottonwood Pass. Stop at scenic viewpoints, take photos, and revel in the joy of conquering the snow-covered trails together. Cottonwood Pass, where winter biking dreams come to life. Plan your fat biking adventure today between Buena Vista and Salida, Colorado.